Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Panasonic Smart Android LED TV that comes to repair with sound okay, no picture fault. See friends, this is fault. While tapping on the screen you can notice that the backlight flashes. So here we already opened the TV back cover. See friends, here this panel comes with a single COF panel with SM4186 Dc IC. Here this panel IC goes to protection mode due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. If the shorting is in any one side of the glass panel, we can repair it by removing shorting, just a temporary solution. If both sides are short, then it's difficult to repair anyway. These are the Gatesignal tracks from both right side and left side. First we are going to cut down the right side Gatesignals tracks. If picture is okay, then do nothing. If picture is not okay, then rejoin all the cutted tracks completely and cut down the left side tracks. See friends, first we cut down the right side Gatesignals, but complaint remains same, so we rejoined the cutted tracks and cut down left opposite side. Now let's see the picture is okay or not. See friends, now the picture comes and the panel shorting is removed, but always remember that this is just only a temporary fixing solution. Permanent method is always panel replacement. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.